YouTube, I'm back. I think this is my third video today. But I'm gonna show you where we're at. Instead of telling you, let me show you. Take off my glasses. I'm at Dollman Beach or Dollman Park, Beachside. And I think this is the Jensen beach area. And I want to show you one other thing, guys. During my travels here, let me put this in cine mode. Show you something I gotta correct when I get home, hopefully. All right, see my tire? That is paint. And there's some on the truck. I can get it off the truck itself, but the tires, I may have to do some work. And there's a little bit on the front, but apparently I either ran over a paint can on my way here. I saw it when I initially arrived at the lighthouse. Let's get on up here. So I gotta figure that out when I get home. Let's go up some more. I don't want to bother anyone. I'm close to the road here, but reason I wanted to get over here because there's a line of trees for some shade, so hopefully the background noise won't be too bad. I'm zooming in here. Okay, just wanted to see where I could fly over. Oh, let me get back to normal mode. I'm just gonna fly here just a little, and then I'll turn. Okay. Slow it down, Larry. Slow it down. Here's what we're looking at. Now, I don't know what waterways is which, whether this is the Atlantic Ocean or the other side is. But let's fly down here. Let's see how many people's on this beach. I'm gonna zoom in. I don't see too many people out there. There's a couple of people walking. Let's try and go sideways. And now I'm gonna hit my cruise button. There we go. I'm cruising, so I can turn the gimbal as I cruise. But this is another location that I see all the guys flying during the South Florida drone meetup. And I always said if I get a chance, I'm gonna come fly. Condos. Let me get out of this cruise. And I guess here are individual houses, maybe. Let's see if I'm fighting the wind. Maybe like 2 or 3 videos earlier. I talked about my battery being depleted, and I had a close call. So believe me, I'm keeping an eye on this battery, the percentage. I wanted to see if these, yeah, they're individual houses here. Now, if I find out different, I'll throw in the description or up on the screen now if this is the Atlantic or what waterways. Because on the other side, we'll cross that when we get back closer here. So, oh, I don't have my antennas up. A rookie. I'm a rookie today. There we go. Look, all those air conditioning units, I think, on top. I think there's one more location I want to fly today if I get a chance. I was at the House of Refuge, and I went into and paid my admission to go to, just to see it. And the young lady said, "Is this your first time?" I said, "Yes. Heard about it, saw it on TV. Ooh, let me get out of here. Hold on. Let me go up just a little, lose the signal. I heard about it, and she said, "Would you like a tour from one of the staff there?" And I said, "Sure." And I asked her if I could film it. She said, "Sure." So I got a nice video. The staff member was Craig with a K. I think he was from Wisconsin. But he's very thorough and gave me a tour. So I'll post that separately. Let's see here. More condos. I was hoping to get a lot of waves so I could do some long exposure photos. But don't look like we got that today. Okay, 76%. Let's go down here. I'm going to put in sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
I will, thank you. And kind of like go over here. We'll just ride along here. Let me go down some. We don't need to be that high. Hopefully one year I could make that South Florida drone meetup. I think it's an annual event now. Probably like the 4th or the 5th year. Alright, let's go back to normal. Get more condos, living quarters. Get a little closer. Seems like there may be more people on this end than where I was. Let's zoom in. Yeah. Seems like there's more people on this end. I'm gonna zoom in here. I think these are houses over here. And again, I'll fly over there once I come back, or close to it, if I get an opening. I'm not sure how long this little strip is, and I'll throw that in there up on the screen if I find out. Nice area though, but So glad it's not raining today. Okay, using a little signal here. Let's get up. Another rookie mistake. My antennas are pointed the opposite way of the drone. Come on, Larry. Alright, let's get out of here. Go out a little. Let's see how they live in. Man, look at all of those units on top. Okay, let's come on over, back. I don't see no chance of rain today, and hopefully that'll hold off tomorrow, because I got some more friends coming up tomorrow. Hopefully we can have some nice flying time. I'm in this parking lot. I'm in the overflow parking lot. Let's get on over. Make sure we're not flying over anyone. We should be able to cross the road here. In fact, I'm putting sport mode. There's no one coming.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Get over there before that car comes. I hear the drone. I see the drone. We're over. Let's go back to normal. Where did I see those houses at? Hold on one second here. Just scanning to see where I saw those houses at. And I can't find them. Oh no, here they are. Here they are. If they're houses, I don't know. I couldn't see. Let's fly over here. Go back to normal. Just wanted to see what this actually looks like. I'm at 54% battery wise. I think I'm fighting the wind because sport mode.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Yeah, I'm fighting the wind going here, so shouldn't have no issues coming back. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in. It's like I said, I just wanted to see how. I have no idea what this is as far as structure. Is it on an island? Seems like these houses and they are like inches apart, seem like. All of these boat ramps. Wow. I wonder what the HOA costs here. Alright, let's turn around here and bring this in for a landing, and I think there's one more location close to me I could go. Sport mode, I'll stay in sport mode. Yeah, I'm in the 40s now, so that wind is helping. Yeah, slow down. Let's see what this is before we go, guys. This may be I don't know if they're living quarters, maybe like offices or something. Maybe apartments or townhouses or condos. Yeah, definitely look like they're living quarters. Okay. Oops, sorry for that quick gimbal move there. It's in sport mode. And I can see both ways. Nothing coming. We'll just come straight across. And I'll start lowering it. Let me get out of sport mode before I get in trouble. All right. All right. This is going to conclude this video. Hopefully one more today. And I need a long nap. Peace. Let's see if I can land this. Let me go ahead and send him over. Come on, baby. I should just catch the thing. Yeah, I don't have time for that. Put your hand under, let the sensor see it, and it should start falling. Voila.